what did I say? I said it should subtract the weight turn from everyone else. Well, actually, from everyone's weight turn, and whoever has the weight turn 0 will make a move, right? So the logic here should be start weight turn should be find next unit. Yes, so finding next unit, it's done, and it got focused, and when it completes its action, then it should decrease the weight turn, but the weight turn is not something decreasable because it's calculated. So what it should do is when initializing the unit, weight turn it should actually have the current weight turn, that is a number, and it's constructed this current weight turn on initialization it's set to its original value, current weight turn. Yes, so what the stage has to refer when comparing this weight turn number is it's instead of comparing unit weight turn, current weight turn, compare the current weight turn. Yes, finish term means okay, so let's needs in stage. Actually update, we should update the unit. Actually units update units, unit equals unit map. So unit current weight turn is unit current weight turn minus system config turn duration. No. Unit current weight turn. What's the unit on focus? So okay, so that focus unit is what is it? Units get one this focus unit on focus, and is unit current weight turn negative, not 1, but focus unit current weight turn and return unit. It will basically subtract everyone's current weight turn, and then if this if unit ID equals to focus unit ID, else if it's so his weight turn becomes 0, but it will actually become it should be reset. So unit current wait turn should be reset. Unit wait turn. So everyone's wait turn goes to something, and his wait turn actually remains the same. And then we should trigger the start wait turn again. Does it make any sense? Move, turn. Okay, so this guy's turn. Move, turn, and this guy's turn. I'm liking it. This guy's turn. Oh, okay, so he did it twice because he's quicker, so he can sometimes do multiple moves. Done. Why doesn't he get focused? Why doesn't he get focus? Get the focus. Click. Okay, so click. Now it's clicked. Current wait turn is negative 5.5. Why is that? Okay, so it can actually go negative. That means if we subtract his current wait turn number, then it's gonna add. So that's not really cool. Okay, so maybe subtracting the same amount is not going to work. So when one guy gets to a turn, that's when he has the minimum wait turn. So that's not true, because it can never go negative, right? Because if his wait turn is the minimum, subtracting the same number from others wouldn't make anything negative. No, it should never go negative. Why is it going negative now? Let's tackle the first one, the wrong direction. He has no direction set. That's why he has no paths available. See, and the making a last turn. Which turn? Turn to direction. Turn to direction. Turn to direction. Okay, so turn to direction should return something, and even before returning, I'm going to check it. Final direction. Console.log final direction. And if final direction is empty, console log and even alert it final direction empty. Alert. Okay, so final direction empty. See, so this is what's happening. Does it happen when I click? Okay, so when I click this direction, it always happens. And why? 2 was 360. Okay, 360. It's possible, true. Okay, so one bug fixed. And the second bug is current wait turn becomes some weird number, 5.5. I don't know what's happening. So current wait turn is set to some sort of the number. Okay, so your current wait turn is 3.9 and current wait time is focus unit current wait turn. Okay, so wait turn to consume is focus unit current wait turn to consume. So wait turn to consume. I think it's just the instance problem actually. So right. So I think I'm getting there. So this wait turn thing is working very much the way I want it. Is there any chance that one gets the turn twice in series? Because one is very quicker than the other. Let's see if that ever happens. Right, he gets 2 turns now.